Greetings, people. Just another update on my ever-growing pick set. Give you a quick look at them all here. Got a hook. Bit of a steeper hook. Ball rake. High offset diamond. A little bit lower offset diamond. Sort of a curved diamond. Higher curved diamond. Just a slightly erratically curved half diamond. Medium sized half diamond. And my favorite, slightly curved small half diamond. And y'all seen last time you saw this, it was a work in progress, but there it is, finished. And most of you have seen these already. Pretty much everything you need. There you have it. Peace. Have fun.